Nag-rule lang siya na wala namang conflict of interest. So, no. I just wanted, it wasn't a position on conflict of interest. I wanted to, well, say my piece on the context of that meeting para naman hindi na insinuate na may parang mali doon na ginawa ko or ng anyone or ng OVP in that aspect, no? And in fact, Senator Judge Joel Villanueva even already helped me with that, diba? Tinanong niya yung witness kung may illegal ba doon. And the witness said, hindi po, kasi kahit po ibang ahensya, kinakausap din po kami. So, you know, there was no need to expound on that. I really felt the need to because I was alluded to, I think twice, plus yung mga nakikita ko sa SOCMED, alam nyo naman, diba? So I just wanted to clear the issue para naman wala tayo, hindi na mislead yung mga kababayan natin doon sa essence ng ganung meeting at para mabigyan natin ng konteksto. But, you know, nagsabi na naman ang presiding officer na hindi na kailangan na magsalita pa ako ukol doon. And of course, Senator Joel also already clarified that matter. So at least that matter has been put to rest.
But what do you want to talaga kayo ng audit query in the first place?
I don't want to discuss it now because yun nga yung magiging issue. Baka sabihin I'm already I'm already talking about things that are being discussed in court. But yun lang po talaga na wala namang masamang nangyari doon. And nabanggit ko na rin kahapon that it was actually COA ICFAO that asked for that meeting.
Pero sir, importante ba yung audit query in general sense?
Hindi naman. We were just basically it wasn't even me. It was really OVP, no? Kasi hindi naman napag-usapan yung DepEd dun sa meeting na yon. So, ang ano lang naman, ang essence lang naman doon is, 'di ba, pinag-usapan, nasabi naman ng testigo to, so I think I can say this at least. Nasabi naman ng testigo that we were just there to clarify guidelines. So, syempre, ang posisyon namin, kung kaklarify lang naman yung guidelines, bakit hindi audit query, 'di ba? Ang gawin nila. And that's you can actually download the audit query memorandum in the COA website. It's actually part of their it's actually one of their I mean, if you want to know what an audit query is, you can download it from the COA website para malaman nyo rin. But nagsabi rin naman na they eventually issued an AOM, so sinagot na lang yung AOM.
So in short, walang conflict of interest, hindi illegal yung
Hindi. Yung conflict of interest sa akin, it's a different matter altogether. But hindi naman illegal yung meeting. Nasabi na yan kanina. Like I said, sir, let's not tempt me to be subjected to the rule on sub judice, no? I hope media can help me also not violate that rule. But I know you're out after sound bites, but I hope you can also help me not violate that rule. So, ang sa akin lang is na-clarify na hindi illegal yung ganung meeting, hindi lang OVP or DepEd ang ahensyang nakikipag-meeting. At ang panghuli is that yung conflict of interest, it was already ruled upon by the presiding officer, so I don't want to have to argue for myself. Kasi unfair din naman kay Senator Judge Tulfo, nagtanong lang naman siya, and I think it was a very innocent question. If I were in his shoes, I would have probably asked the same question kung may conflict of interest o wala. At nag-rule naman na ang presiding officer without even asking me to argue my side. So, or to comment on that question. So, I think I should also be fair to Senator Judge Tulfo that I don't air out my arguments through the media.
Pero sir, tama ba? No? May AOM na and then gusto sana nyo magkaroon ng audit query.
Hindi, wala pang AOM nung panahon na yun.
Wala pa.
Wala pa.
Dahil sabi mo nga, after
No, nag-issue sila ng AOM.
after ng congressional hearing.
After ng budget hearing, nagka-meeting. Na, again, I have no personal knowledge on who called the meeting, no? Because I only relied on the OVP asking if I could join the meeting. And so, that meeting, according to the OVP, which was confirmed to me this morning, was called by ICFAO. They wanted to talk to OVP. So, inimbitahan lang ako kung pwede akong sumama. And at that time, I was also USEC of Finance, no? OIC USEC for Finance. So, ayoko nang pag-usapan kung ano yung napag-usapan sa meeting kasi nasabi na naman ng witness that it was really merely to clarify on the guidelines of the JC. I wanted to put some context on that kanina at humingi ako ng permiso kung pwede ako magsalita para lang malinawan ng ating mga senator judges at para hindi na malagyan ng kahit anong kulay yung ganyang meeting. But in any case, nasagot na rin naman ng testigo ni Attorney Wamil na hindi lang naman DepEd at OVP ang nakikipag-usap o lumalapit para mag-clarify ng mga guidelines. No? No, it was napag-usapan lang siya na kung gusto nyo, di pwede baka mag-issue ng ganito, and then they just issued an AOM. I really don't want to make a big fuss out of this. I hope you can understand, kasi it's a dead issue for me.
Why is the defense not amenable to the suggestion of the prosecution to use na lang your copies of the AR so that we can proceed?
That goes into our own legal theory kasi, and that's why we have not been categorically stating those things because that goes into legal strategy. But the point is that parties can never be, whether it be the defense or prosecution, cannot be forced to stipulate on anything.
It's not meant to delay the proceedings.
Of course not.
Last three questions po.
Attorney, you were asked by Senator Bam earlier kung totoo pa ba yung mga pumirma doon or aliases lang yung ginamit. Hindi mo sinagot kasi sabi mo pupunta doon sa legal view. Pero just wondering baka you can give us maybe a hint o paano nyo ba ito mapapatunayan na or mapapatunayan na totoong tao itong mga to or alias lang ba ito?
Sir, obviously, kung hindi ko sinagot sa court, lalong hindi ko sasagutin sa media.
Attorney, nagsettle na ng date on when you will mark the evidence? Yung extended pre-trial tomorrow or on Friday? When po?
I have no idea as of this time. I think they're still trying to fix the date. I have no information on that. We'll let you know once meron ng agreement between the parties.
How big of a leeway are you willing to give during those meetings, considering that the defense has been quite bent on not stipulating on anything?
What do you mean by leeway, ma'am? Quite vague.
Meaning, sir, ano yung inaasahan natin na mapagkakasunduan nyo? Either
Hindi natin alam. Ayokong pangunahan yung mga magiging pag-usapan doon. It is, as the presiding officer said, it is one last chance to see if stipulations can be made, but the defense has been firm in terms of acknowledgement receipts.
my next question would have been, would it be a futile attempt for the prosecution or the court to call this kind of proceedings, considering that, again, the defense has been quite bent on standing its ground?
Premature for me to say anything. Let's see muna. It was a directive from the presiding officer, so we will comply, and then we'll just see what happens after.
Attorney, pinapasapina na, no? Yung dalawang SDO, si Gina Acosta and si Edward Maharda. Paano yun? Magiging hostile witness ba sila? Kasi obviously, taga-defendant sila.
That will be up to the prosecution po kung they will want to treat them as hostile witnesses because under the rules of court, if you want to treat any witness as a hostile witness, then they will have to be qualified in open court. So, kailangan pa nilang i-qualify yan and the court will have to declare them as hostile witnesses. But I think better directed to the prosecution. Sila yung dyan.
Last po.
I apologize. Pero comment lang, sir, reaction lang doon po sa Q&A kanina na sinabing it's unusual po na ibayad yung agamot for information for confidential activities.
Yung anong amount po, sorry?
Hindi ko nasabi amount, pero sinabi ko it's unusual na gamot na yung binabayad in exchange of information for confidential activities.
That's an opinion of the witness, I think, no? That's an opinion of the witness. Siyempre, there will be other witnesses to be presented, and then you will also have to wait for our evidence in chief for us to answer those things. Okay, pasensya na kayo. I'm sure you're frustrated with how restrained I am with my answers, but we have the rule, and I'll try to see what we can do so that you'll get more info. Maybe from not from me. Thank you.